Push the button. I'm gonna push the button.
Do it.
Yeah, you gotta pay attention. These are new rules. I like this. It's very retro.
So is pushing a button.
Yeah, right.
George Jetson.
Push button age, man.
Jackbox.tv. QQKU.
Sounds like a Beatles song.
QQQQ.
I am the Eggman.
What?
Huh?
QQ.
QQKU. All right. Wait, no, one more.
Yay, one for me.
Oh, now I see it. Duh, I should have just looked.
Oh, I ran out of letters.
I've got this banner I can flash up here too. I didn't. Jackbox.tv. All right, Spawn.
From the
Who's Tobin? That's you. He's so fast.
I already know who the alien is. It's Spot.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt your cryosleep, but I thought it worth mentioning that I, your digital officer during emergencies, or DOTI, have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship. And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus which is slowly deleting my program. I'm available for guidance if you require.
We doing tutorial or we just do it?
Security protocol, Ripley, Russell, which is a secret test designed to evaluate your humanity and reveal any aliens hiding amongst you. I have determined that 2 of you are secretly aliens.
Oh.
Please use your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players.
Got it.
Unfortunately, aliens will know who their compatriots are, so you'll be at a bit of a disadvantage, humans.
All right, everyone look at their phone, confirm their identity.
By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button. Will be our first captain.
Spawn.
Oh God, what am I doing?
Quarters into unique testing areas. Wasn't cheap, I tell you that. Choose an available room and your desired participants.
Okay, pick a room.
Oh, my available participants.
I think any of the other people on the ship. I think you get to challenge people to like mini things here or something.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Writing Pod. You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd.
Mermaids are delicious.
As time winds down, I'll do my best to send the aliens some real stinkers. It's the least I can do.
What am I supposed to be doing anything?
No, it's only Kuhn and Toby that are in the mini challenge right now.
Humans should have received.
Why?
My favorite winter activity is...
Because you guys were the two that Linda selected to be in the challenge room.
Oh.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
No, those are
Look
both
for anything
totally
that doesn't seem
reasonable.
quite right. And don't forget to hit that suspicion button.
Oh, I thought you was just going to say, don't forget to hit that.
Do I have to...
Are aliens and will be lying.
Tap the alien icon on you don't trust. Okay, so if you trust them, you don't hit anything?
I don't know. Tap the alien icon in any responses you distrust. Yeah, I guess you could not
next
choose
captain,
anyone.
You're in charge.
I'm like a gnome.
Pick another room and test group. There's less than 14 minutes.
Opinion hold. And I'm going to choose... Dawn hasn't been tested yet, and neither is Spod, so... Let's start
Oh my
this
gosh,
test.
yes, please. We're in the diner.
Hang out and let your opinions fly. Each participant will be presented with a bold statement. You will then provide your level
one
of
hates
agreement or
chocolate.
disagreement. Aliens, however, will be given a completely different statement. When the crew sees the full opinion, aliens may have to justify an outlandish position. Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, it might be pretty out there. And here's what humans saw. I love sushi. There's gotta be a clue. Look for someone answering out of character, or just
Slightly-
start yelling at each other.
Slightly seems weird because like people that are into sushi are really into sushi. Like there's no slightly into sushi.
I was looking at Don's one, strongly disagree, but I do know he does strongly disagree.
Mm.
I'd slightly agree. I'm
Slightly?
on sushi. That's not fair.
I don't know. Are you the alien? How do I know you're not the alien telling me this?
Hey, everyone.
Well, that is true, but the thing is that you don't have to love or hate sushi. I kind of just feel
Look here, people, so let's keep it going.
Invasion of the Body Snatchers.
Oh. Dang. You are very untrustworthy.
Alien viruses capability. Aliens now have the ability
Let's
to
go
hack
ahead.
the
I'm
prompts.
ready to solve.
You're ready to
When looking
solve
at
it?
their
I'm
prompt
ready to
screen,
solve.
an alien can select any human and secretly give them the alien prompt.
Oh
To
no.
make things
Oh, God.
can help
That's
other
evil.
humans by secretly giving them a human prompt. I
Oh,
hope you got that
Rude.
because there's no way I'm repeating it.
great.
Okay, Captain, you're in charge.
Let's see.
All right, come on. Let's come up with a question that really actually gets somebody out there.
Yeah.
Alright.
I can't tell.
Oh, it's me and Sharon.
Me, yep.
Welcome to the deliberation.
Sharon.
Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Answers blindly. When the crew sees the full statement, aliens may have to justify their random selection or face suspicion.
Eggs are delicious.
Let's see what these players choose. If they're an alien, I bet it's peculiar.
I can't see what's going on. There's nothing on my screen to indicate it.
No, it's
Nothing
only
up
me
there
and
to
Sharon. It's just me and Sharon. who choose the next
tell-
one.
It doesn't
Yeah.
tell us what you're choosing. Maybe it's telling you. Hang on.
And the prompt for humans was you're offered the chance to have your brainwaves take over someone else's body, deleting them. You choose.
Oh, this is gonna be really hard. Have fun, guys.
Just makes terrible life decisions.
you just think it's
And
me
don't
in my
forget about those
hat.
alien hacks.
My
A
little
smart
red
alien
gnome
can
hat.
make someone look suspicious by flipping their prompts.
Man. No, come on.
Anyway,
Anyway.
on the same brainwaves there, Sharon.
Frighteningly so.
Yeah,
Little
she was
too
like,
much.
yeah,
They started doing that early.
There's an alien there before. I didn't trust her.
I'm suspicious.
You can now push the button and take us to the extraction room. But I would recommend you only do this once you're confident in your suspicion. Okay, next, Captain,
We
you're
can
in
solve
charge.
if we want. Toby. And Sharon.
Yeah, we'll find out now.
Prompt to draw. Draw it the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar
Oh, you
yet
already
different
seen my
prompt.
drawing, so.
When the drawings are revealed, cast suspicion on any you find to be a bit off.
The ones that are good are like
Numbers on
aliens, the ones who are bad are not.
or the prompt. You're welcome.
Is it morning over there?
Oh no, I just like backed out. Hang on, I'm coming back in again.
12:43 in the afternoon.
Ah. Well, that's practically morning these days.
Humans received the following prompt. Draw you as Batman.
Those are good drawings.
And someone may have gotten a bad prompt, or they could just be a terrible artist.
You see anything defining about Sharon in that picture? I don't think so.
Well, it's not
You're
Batman. It looks like Batgirl, maybe.
And Batman doesn't have a beard, so you didn't draw you as Batman, Toby.
That's about
You drew
it.
you as some Comic-Con attendee with a Batman mask
We're on the clock here,
on.
people.
It's a scarecrow pretending to be Batman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Sharon, you are looking more dodgy as time goes on.
I just suck at drawing.
The bioscanner is now online. If the team you send there passes a test, you'll be able to analyze any player and find out if they're an alien.
I just knocked myself out, I think.
Let's reload the page.
Yeah, I think you can get back in.
What's to do?
Don't pick Kuhn for one of these just in case. Get back in.
Another
You and I. What are we doing?
Keep
Looks
an eye
like
out for
Spot
questionable
and
positions.
you and Don are in that room.
Okay, I'm back.
Alright.
Cool.
Here it is. Put one of those.
In response to what?
You don't have a prompt?
I
You
can't
just pick an answer.
2 days before I retire.
Or maybe not. I don't know.
The prompt,
Maybe that's a clue.
humans.
He didn't have a prompt.
Maybe you should watch the tutorial.
Every time you eat cheese, you destroy a small sentient universe. You must.
Seems legit.
Universe. I don't understand why you can't do things like that.
Welcome to the show.
Busted.
You haven't noticed, and yes,
Did
it
I
really
just get
hurts.
evicted?
Someone is
You're about to.
Isolate the 2 crew members you believe are aliens and press confirm. Since this is our first time here,
Oh, buddy, you're wrong.
now
You're
the
wrong.
non-isolated members shall vote. If you all vote
You're
yes, and
wrong.
these players
You're
are
sad.
aliens, then the humans and moi are safe.
That's me.
But if one of them
Have you
is
ever
a human,
seen
then it's
this
curtains
thing?
for us all.
I'm
I'm
not
not
a
an opportunity to like check. What am I the person who's being voted on? Oh
We go
dear.
back to the main cabin.
Vote has to be unanimous. You guys better start talking to each
Seriously,
other.
isn't it obvious? It's obvious.
No.
Oh, you
Uh,
get a chance. I'm
I
not
don't
getting
know
a chance to
So I
vote.
could hit yes or no and get rid of somebody, or it ends it.
The vote has
If you have a
failed.
unanimous
Well,
vote,
that was a bust.
but it
The
was
crew
not.
member who pushed the button can no longer push it.
Oh, you're banned.
Ah,
You're banned.
You're all gonna die.
You're all gonna
Am I
die.
still alive? Because like I was a bit confused. there.
All you can do
I
is
was
keep
right.
testing until you can all agree.
Everyone's-
Okay, next
I
captain,
know
you're in
Linda
charge.
is for sure, but I'm not an alien. I'm
Oh,
not a
really,
green.
Sharon?
No way. I just suck at drawing. Spod.
Sounds like something an alien would say.
Hey, dude.
I pooed you.
See that? That's called Zeus's butt.
Zeus's
This
butt.
is the bioscanner. Unfortunately, the virus has got this place pretty screwed up.
Oh.
Participants will see a set of alien glyphs on their device. The captain will only see 3 glyphs and must describe them out loud.
Oh, God.
When 3 glyphs are tapped, the captain can lock in. If the glyphs match, the test will pass. The captain will then be able to learn one player's secret identity. But watch out, aliens may fail by tapping the wrong glyph on purpose.
What?
And I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
I don't understand. Okay. Oh, I have to
Someone-
write a description?
Spod, yeah, Linda, you have to describe those verbally to me and Kuhn, and then we're gonna have to tap
Okay.
the ones you're describing.
Okay, well, the first glyph is like, it's got a 2 lines with a little, the first one looks like a weird J, and then it's got a couple of dots.
How many dots?
2. It's got 2 dots to the top right. So it's like top right and then 1
All
down.
right, I think I got you.
Alright.
What's the next one?
The second glyph has got a eye in the middle of like 2 weird little things with a happy smiley smile at the top, like a U thing at the top.
Radio.
What?
It's an eye in the middle. It's got 2 little lines to the either side going up, and then the top has got a U above it.
Oh, yeah, I gotcha. And I like the letter, not an eyeball. Gotcha.
Okay, and the third
You
glyph.
are the alien.
The third glyph is 2 lines, but they have a dot in the middle at the bottom, and then the top has got a triangle on it. You see it's got the triangle piece at the top, and it's got the 2 lines with the dot in the middle.
And then 2 dots at the tips of the line. There's 3 dots total.
No, there's just 1 dot in the middle, I think, at the bottom.
The time to answer is coming to an end.
God. A triangle?
Ah,
I didn't get it.
The test has failed.
So nobody will know the
Oh.
Okay,
Where's the
that was
triangle
suspicious.
on top on
Maybe
that last
test
one,
humans
Linda?
next time.
It's there. I had a triangle on top of mine.
Alien.
Sharon.
Ooh.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Kuhn got it.
Yeah.
Next, Captain, you're on the clock.
He's an alien too. You're both aliens. That's why. I'm solving this sucker right now.
Go
Let's
for it.
push the button. Buy the scanner. That's what you're gonna do it.
You think that
Right?
does protect
No,
you?
no, back. What do you do?
Tell you like, you know, hold the band, it's not your turn or something. So you know.
Yeah, it's kind of like.
So when you're ready to press the button, you actually have to hold it down until
Turning
a
on the
bar
lights in
reaches
here.
red.
Whom will you isolate? You only get 1 minute, so act quickly.
Alright, it's totally
Okay,
wait.
time to vote.
Yeah, those 2. It's totally,
Kuhn and
they
me.
know what was up. They're linked in.
The vote has
They know.
Okay, some last-minute heroics would be nice. So, I
Did you
don't know
just kill me?
if aliens are pushing the button, but you only
Defeated
get
by,
one
we're
push
all about to
each.
die
If
because you
humans
all
run
know
out of
what's
button
going on. We
pushes,
got
the
2
aliens will take over the ship.
minutes and
You're up.
46
No
seconds.
time to waste.
It's
Alright. It's
There's less than 3
Man.
minutes.
Since y'all are gonna vote with
Well,
me.
there it is.
I'm
Oh,
intrigued.
someone's doing it. Don't you put me in that room. Don't you
You
do
only have 30
it.
seconds.
I'm gonna eat whoever's in that room with me. I'm not an alien.
Hack my face off.
Time running out, Captain. You'll forfeit your time if you don't act.
I mean, I meant meet. I'm gonna meet whoever you put in the room with me.
Don's in there. Who else is in there?
Well, that was a bust. The crew member who pushed the button can no longer push it.
Oh,
I tried to push the button. Dang it.
no more buttons.
No more buttons.
The
So
game is
that by default means that.
Nothing.
What are our odds?
Yeah, we'll wave goodbye.
Man, Don and Linda. Linda, I knew it was
I
you.
was wondering.
You were doing
I
good.
guessed that. I didn't hit the button until
Don had Sharon totally with that millionaire answer.
he was being too quiet.
You guys want to do this one again?
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm not a very good liar.
But you just won
I have
that
terminated
round.
your cryosleep to alert you
Only because John hacked Sharon at one point.
to my processing core. I'm initiating security protocol. Carpenter, Gooey, Doghead. I have determined that 2 of you are secretly aliens.
We've
Please your
started
device
again.
and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the
I had
identity.
to confirm your identity, Don. Well, I haven't confirmed it.
Aliens will know who their compatriots are. You'll be at a bit of a disadvantage, humans.
I looked at Don's. Maybe we should start again.
All right.
We can,
By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease to be, so I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then rush